previously on Lost.
Now I just gotta find a place to save. What is that? Oh, come on, not another new thing. Oh, I can find it here. Oh, okay, cool. Does this lead to subterranean? Oh, I gotta need an orange lizard. Alright, Buddy Boo, where does this go? Wait. Really? Sky Islands. The worst possible place for it to storm. Come on. Okay. I'm too fat. It is because I'm fucking fat. Okay, what do I need to eat next? The grapple worm. Grapple worms show up in chimney canopy too. Jesus, come on. What the fuck? Oh my god. Hi! Okay, grapple worm. I know where to get one of those. Okay, grapple worms, if I recall correctly, are this way. Because I remember seeing a bunch of them over here when I played this game originally. So I remember them being down here, because this leads to this. Which has them right here. There you are. Fuck you. Okay. Now I gotta eat an... Oh boy. I guess it really is pebble time. Wondering where the fuck that caramel lizard went. Because he just sort of appeared, caused a bunch of damage, and then left. Hey buddy. I shouldn't say buddy, you're an asshole. You're the one that tried to kill me earlier. I can't take the low stamina, man. Like, I'm a fast-moving person, constantly. While I died a lot in Artificer, I still had a lot of fun playing it, and like... The fuck did I just do? Oh. Okay, I remember that Karma Gate is Karma 4. Come on. Almost got it. Okay. My hands are so cold. I did have, everything that I recorded before was all in one day. And I was, like, very slowly getting discouraged that entire time, so... Hopefully today will be better. Have a fresh start. Not die repeatedly. Doesn't matter a whole lot. The Karma Gate for Pebbles is 1. So I can take as long as I want with this, which is good. It's always a good reminder. So normal survivor spawns are turned on here, which is a little strange, but I guess I prefer that. I prefer the orange lizards over the leapzards, to be honest. Leave. 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 Go that way. No. No, go the other way. Go that way. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I don't see him. Unless I'm blind, but yeah, I really don't see him here. They're probably all in the next room, then. See if he'll fall for it. Come here. Big fat boy. There's a big fat boy down here. Oh boy, I sure hope no big strong lizard comes and tries to eat me. Oh boy, I sure do hope no big fat lizard comes and eat this, like, this mixed slug cat. It's me, the mixed slug cat. Now come down. I'll keep doing cool, neat tricks. I'm somehow not getting exhausted doing this. Approach me, if you dare. I got 2 rocks. Perfect. Flawless victory. It goes to show you don't need to stab stuff to kill it, you just gotta catch it at its most vulnerable, inconvenient time. Okay. Only took me like 5 minutes, but I did it. Alright, so revamp the plan. I go in there, I talk to Pebbles, I go in the other way, I eat his neurons, and hopefully he doesn't just outright kill me when I come back in. Oh no, he shouldn't. Doesn't usually. He usually just goes like, what the fuck, you're back, and then like throws you away like a basketball. Actually, you know what? While I'm here, before I go in, I want to test, because this is infinite food right here. So technically, I should be able to just make whatever, right? Okay, can I do anything with these two? I can? What does it do? Oh, that just makes it dynamite again. Okay. Lantern. This makes a flash bomb! Oh, cool! I didn't know that. Mushroom. What does that do? It makes a bat fly? Really? So you're telling me that mushroom plus weed equals bug. I have a what? Really? There's just a turtle that lives in my stomach? Shouldn't I get this checked out by someone? Oh, is it getting dark in here? This is cool. Oh, I've never been to, like, nighttime Pebbles before. This is neat. I didn't know it did this. Hello? Oh! Ow. Hello again. I'm in different form. Gluttonous beast, what brings you to my chamber? You are no like any other messenger before. Perhaps I understand the ability for your kind to communicate my existence. Did you just call me fat? I may have been too rash in bestowing the mark of communication upon you. With the recent traffic through my structure, however, I would hesitate to believe you would be my last encounter. Yeah, that's true. I would prefer to discourage further visitations in the future. I have long since placed the outer perimeter of my facility grounds into lockdown, and yet more and more creatures like you continue to manage to find a way inside. You have the same problem as everyone else, from the microbes in the processing strand to who is, if you excuse me, godlike. Are you okay? Rotundness. I might as well imply you yeah, I'm having a hard time here. I do not believe my intended purpose is much to help you. I can, however, encourage you and your kind to leave my facility grounds. Unfortunately, the same locks that were supposed to prevent creatures from getting in will now prevent you from getting out. Perhaps this strategy was ill-conceived after all. Allow me to just... Just what? What are you gonna do to me? Please don't hurt me. What? Oh, okay. I see. Yes, I understand. I need 5 karma. I get it. Undergrounds are escape my territory. Find the gate of the world aside that is now unlocked. Turn asks you and encourage your community through whatever method of communication you choose upon to go west. Listeners below. Please use the access shaft. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Alright, I gotta eat one of your neurons, so I hope you're fine with this. I mean, you got like 15 of them anyway. It's really loud in here, by the way. Okay, so the other place is unlocked. Is that still Metropolis, I wonder? Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. And wait, I need to check. What do I need to eat? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what that is. Wiki time. It's in the subterranean and the farm arrays. Okay, so I'm just gonna check and see. Never mind, I'm not. It won't let me in. We're going to go... More food, oh boy. So whatever this thingy is, it's in the subterranean. There was that area in Industrial that I'm pretty sure led to subterranean because I was getting the same ambience and I was getting the same patterns visually, so I guess we're going back there, which is cool. I like it there. It's pretty neat. And the subterranean is where we need to go anyway. Apparently this thing is called a gooey duck, and that's really gross. You motherfucker. If I had known you were here this whole time, I wouldn't have bothered with chimney canopy. Oh my god. That's a lot of rocks in one area. I want some. Gimme. These are my friends. Haha! I'm so... That's a king vulture. Thanks, buddy. Whee! Whee! Yeah. What a nice night. What can I make with these again? Ah. Okay. Ah. It stayed there. Cool. Alright, back to the pipe yard we go. Oh, I smell food. I don't mean like as Gourmand, I mean like in real life I smell food. Ah, the pipe yard. I miss this place. Honestly, I did. This is like probably my new favorite region, honestly. And vultures. I like the music being... the threat music being cut off by the intro. That's funny. So when I came here before, I went down this pipe, but I didn't go down this one. I don't know where this one leads. Yeah, I'm hearing filtration system ambience. Oh, they're bathing. Oh god, eel lizard. So the eel's back. Wow, what's wrong? Where is he? Oh, he's like sitting there at the edge.
Think fast, chuckle nuts!
I see. Oh, okay. This just leads back to this. Oh. Okay. No. No. No, please. Oh my god. He was fucking toying with me. He knew I was scared of him, and he's like, oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. What a dick. Okay, I'm pretty sure this area leads to subterranean. I can kind of feel it. Where? Oh my god. The maze. It's like, please let me get somewhere with air. Sump tunnel? That's gross. Why do I hear danger? What's wrong? Is that danger, or is that just the intro music to this place? Ew, it's kind of rancid in here. Ugh. Oh hey, place. Cool. Ew, it's all wet. Ugh. Ugh. I'm trying to find my way to the subterranean, not the sump tunnel. Alright. Oh boy. Can I make that? I don't think so, but we're gonna try. Oh, just barely. Okay, it was nice to meet you, Sump Tunnel, but I think I'll come back later with a more suited candidate for your trivial needs. I can't get back up. Hey again, Sump Tunnel. So I've reconsidered. It turns out I have no choice but to venture through you, so... Can I cough up like a bubble root, please? With the limited food that I have? It would be nice to have, but not right now. That's nice, but I don't... Ah, this is not bubble root. This is pain. Again, a bomb. Oh, is that a jet squid? That is a jet squid. Hey! Oh, it's an albino jet squid! If I can get that jet squid... Hey, come here. I got a present for you. It's food. I know you like food. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Hey buddy, what's up? Give me a second, dude. I'm dying. Oh, I have no food. Thanks for waiting, man. Most of the time people just sort of, you know, fly away. You know, I never had a friend before. Well, I did, but then I ate him. No! fucking turtles made me... Oh. Damn it. Well, just like my last friend, I ate him too. I'm starting to think this leads to shoreline instead. I think that, yeah, that definitely leads to... This definitely leads to shoreline, there's no doubt. I'm not going back there, so we're gonna sleep. Never mind. No, we're not. I'm gonna go get, like, revenge on those turtles. Do I have time to kill the turtles? If I hurry up, I will. Where's the other turtle? Yeah, I'm dead. There's no way. I'll go try to starve. Okay. Oh, look at that hunger. He's gonna want to eat everything now. This poor little nugget, he's so hungry. I'm so sorry, dude. Ah! This poor little guy. I genuinely didn't- this feels so traumatizing. Like he's just stuck in these pumps. Like he's stuck in these pumps, and like he doesn't know what to do. Oh my god, food. Thank god. Hopefully this leads to somewhere less aquatic. It's still aquatic. Where does that go? I don't care where it goes. I want to leave. Okay, never mind. I have no choice but to be here. That leads to a karma gate. Which presumably is shoreline. You know, it might not be shoreline. It might not be shoreline. It probably is, but it might not be. So I'm gonna save here, I guess. And then I'm gonna see where that karma gate leads me. If it leads me to shoreline, I guess it leads me to shoreline. Yeah, there's no way this doesn't lead to shoreline. It literally, it looks like the fucking thing. Wait a minute. Okay, shoreline is fine. Because I just remembered. I looked at that thing. That thing looks exactly like the entry gate from the shoreline to the subterranean. I forgot that you can get to the subterranean through shoreline. Okay, this is fine. This is fine, this is okay. I have leeway now. I know what to do. And I can save. See, cycle 65. Look how long I've been doing this. It's an underwater karma gate, that's me. I'm like a peanut basking in the oils of a soup. So I just gotta find my way to the subterranean gate once I figure out where I am right now. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, no, no.